Hey everybody, welcome to math. So today what you're going to need is a notebook, scrap sheet of paper, whiteboard, whatever you do use for practice problems, and a pencil or something to write with, and a positive attitude. Pause the video if you need to go get those materials. Welcome back. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding up numbers. You're going to know you have it when you accurately solve the addition problem. So part 1 is listening to the instructions, which you're doing right now. Part 2 is not check your work. Part 2 is going to be to build a snowman. What are you talking about, Miss Taylor? There's no snow on the ground. You'll know in a minute. And then part 3 is a quick exit ticket. So when you are trying to use these slides today, you're just going to click down over here, and that is how you're going to navigate. So I'm going to delete this one. Alright, so this is going to be your math assignment today. Your job is going to be to build a snowman. Alright, you'll see that all the different parts cost a certain amount. So you're going to decorate your snowman any way you want to. All you have to do is click the object, drag it over to your snowman, and put it on there like that. You need to make sure that you write down the price. So like if I was going to take this scarf, I have to buy it. On my scrap sheet of paper, I'm going to write $17.35. So maybe I should just do a quick example here. So on my scrap sheet of paper, I'm going to write, okay, $17.35 for my scarf. It's going to be easier if you do it along the way instead of waiting till the end, because see how the prices don't go with it. And then maybe I'll make them have this hat on. Well, that hat is $13.84. So on my scrap sheet of paper, I'm going to write down $13.84. And let's see here. Then I might have some eyeballs. Looks like eyeballs are worth 75 cents. So it looks like eyeballs and eyelashes are 75 cents. So it's 75 cents for each one. So if I want two, oh, it all comes together. So it's 75 cents for those pair. Oh, I see. It goes like this. And like, you have them like that. You make them a little bit smaller. You can adjust the size on them. You can make them like this. That's pretty cool. Awesome sauce. So you're going to choose your eyes to put on there. And it's going to cost you 75 cents. And you're going to go ahead and put that on the paper. So 0.75. Notice that when you're doing this, your decimal point, the dot here, is always going to be lined up with each other. So you got to make sure you do that or you're going to get a wrong answer. Okay, and then I need to put a mouth on him. I kind of like this one right here. And that one was $15. Okay. Oh, I'm kind of moving some things around. Remember, if you do something on accident and you don't like it, just push the undo button. So that was $15.14. So I'm going to come over here. $15.14. Alright, let's see what else I need. Oh, I need a nose. It looks like they only have one nose. I wonder what these are supposed to be. Oh, those are buttons for his shirt. That is cute. Alright, so the nose is $9.99. And then I'm going to say that my snowman is, I'm pretty happy with my snowman. So $9.99. So now what I need to do is I need to add all of these numbers up. What I would do is I would do two at a time. So I would take two numbers and add them together. And then take that answer and add it to another one. And cross them out as you go. So I got these two now. So at 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You don't have to use this strategy. You can use any strategy that we've learned. So now it costs $31. Then I need to add up 0.75. I'm going to get an answer, and then I need to add up my other two, and I'm not going to do it all the way out because some of you guys might come up with the same snowman that I have. Let's see what else. I'm going to put 2 copies of this on here, so in case you accidentally mess up on one, like it deletes or you can't figure out how to work it, you can use the other copy. You don't need to do them both, but you do need to write down your total. Then what I'm going to have you do is you can go ahead and you can move this. If you go back to page number 2 and you move this snow globe, so if you move this snow globe, you're going to find a link to a calculator, and if you click on it, it's going to open into a calculator, and then what you can do is type in the numbers that you had and see if your answer was correct. So type all the numbers in. So if I was doing mine, I would do 17.30 decimal point 35 plus 13.84 equals, and then I would add the rest of them up and see if my answers match. If they do, awesome. It means you did a great job at adding. If not, it's okay. Just see where you made your mistake at. Make sure to keep that number though, because you're going to need it for your exit ticket. I should say on the instructions that you need at least 4 parts to your snowman, because I know some of you crafty people out there are thinking, I just don't want I want a blank snowman. That's not a choice. You need at least 4 parts to your snowman. This is math with a little bit of fun in it. Then your exit ticket is going to be for you type in your name and then tell me how much your snowman costs in all. As always, reach out if you have any questions. So the first part is to listen. So the first part is going to be to listen to the instructions. The second part is going to be to build your snowman. You're going to need at least 4 parts. And then the third step is to complete the exit ticket. All right, I think that is it. Reach out with any questions, okay?